getting fresh lettuce from my aquaponics setup. Stay tuned, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have a knife and I am going to be clipping this lettuce patch. Right, I'm just going to clip it right below the root right there, and I'm going to be making a sandwich with it. But the point to note is that these are not doing too bad, you know. You see they're coming up back. I finally discovered what this was. This, guys, cabbage. Remember a few shares ago I did a share in which I was planting cabbage. Well, cabbage, guys. Cabbage. Yeah, this is cabbage. Alright, but I'll give you more on that later on. As I said before, during the cool morning, yeah, they are looking like this, right? And this batch is a little bit more better as far as looks is concerned. I'm going to be clipping this. Not much conversation on that. I'm not going to be pulling it out of the root. I'm just going to be clipping, right, a section. And you might say, but why is it that you never clip the entire thing? Why you leave these two? Alright. Points to note is that this lettuce will spring more leaf, and I can get probably 3 or 4 more lettuce like this to make sandwich. I'm gonna actually go inside now and get my lettuce and my tomato and my little fish burger thingy and my burger bread, ketchup, and I'm gonna have a bite. So I've actually clipped that one, right? So stay tuned. I'll share it with you later on, yeah, probably in a couple seconds, what turned out with this lettuce, right? Awesome, guys. My first lettuce harvesting. I have to do it right now, you know, because I don't want anything come and like rain. They said that we're gonna have rain over the weekend. Anyway, I'm not so pessimistic. I'm optimistic, and I know that everything will work out okay. But this lettuce was actually planted before the rest of them. This is the first time I'm actually gonna be, you know, collecting lettuce from this batch. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm at the supermarket and I'm going to be picking up tomatoes. Looking at the price. Tomato price and turn up, man. $441 now. One tomato. Wow. Wow. When things them kind of reach a little price, you know, and start put things together. Now, just got the lettuce from the thing, right? It's a small lettuce, $214, a little bit more than what I had, but it depends on the type of lettuce, the price, right? This is about what I have. This is $173, so I'm going to be making my burger with something looking like this, right? I'm not going to buy the tomato from here. I'm going to buy the other cooking tomato because this one too expensive for me to be doing this. Alright, so let's go. For me, tomatoes, yeah. Wow, guys, these tomatoes are really awesome, right? But the price is total. So instead of buying those tomatoes, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be purchasing tomato from this space, right? Alright. Alright. Of course, what would a burger sandwich be without a protein in it, right? Now it's a decision between this and another brand. I only eat fish, milk, cheese, and egg, peas, beans, and legumes, right? So it has to be a fish burger. It can't be beef, it can't be chicken. So I think I'm gonna hold this for a bit and I'm gonna check on the price. I think this is $1,200 for the 4 patties versus this patty, which is a veggie patty. I guess you guys in America know this patty. This is 1,700 Jamaican dollars. I think I'm gonna go with the reggae jammings snapper patty, 4 patties, but the costing, this is fully vegetable for vegan, yeah, but the price turn up, price high. I think I'm gonna go with the snapper ones, right? And then I'm gonna have my chips. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. This is my chips. I've chosen my chips. I have my bread. Right. I also choose my burger. Right. So yeah, we're at the supermarket and getting some stuff. The bread section. I'm gonna choose a burger bread. I think I might choose this one. I'm wondering. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna choose this one. Right? Right. Yeah, choose this one. Right? I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna be purchasing. Yeah. So let's go. I am gonna be putting some chips in the pot. Then I'm gonna fix it up just like when you go to now nice little burger joint. And I'm gonna be putting my lettuce. Yeah, the lettuce is placed into a bag so as to keep it fresh. And then I'm gonna cut up all of this. This is chicken bologna. It's made of chicken, and this is gonna be done for my wife, while this is gonna be done for me. And I'm gonna be showing you when I'm actually putting everything together. All right. So this is the burger bread. I'm actually gonna cut it, and I'm gonna place it in the oven just to warm a little bit before I deal with the. It's warming. I will take care of the the burger, fish burger and the chicken burger that will go in between, and then I dress it with the lettuce for my aquaponics. This is, they refer to this as patty. This is the chicken bologna. It's made out of chicken, but it's done like a bologna, right? And this is the fish, right? And it's coming from rainforest snapper, right? I'm going to take out one and I'm going to fry it. Patty is without flavor. It look white, right? All of this is fish, right? Have a little ice in it still. It's without flavor, right? No seasoning, whatever, right? What I'm going to do to kind of get it a little flavor, I'm going to place this is a piece of pepper and some salt in the frying pot, and I'm going to let it stay there for a bit. Salt is in the pot. The pepper is kind of frying a little bit. And allow it to stay there, probably get brown and crispy to kind of give the oil a little flavor. Then I'm going to drop the patties in it. So my recently picked lettuce is washed in salt water. Yeah, I'm washing all of it because I want at least 2, and I know my wife wants at least 2 also. A piece might be left. I can simply place it back in the bag and place it in the fridge. Right, so it's washed in salt water, left there for a bit. Right, I've washed the tomatoes already. The fish patty is coming on. So here's the patty and the bread and the burger thingy looking like for my wife, right? And here is the vegetables, the tomatoes and lettuce, all cut up nicely, will be placed on both. Placing a slice of cheese in both burgers so as to enhance the taste, to let it feel, taste really awesome. On top of that, when it's finished, some ketchup. It will be awesome with some chips. So this is my complete meal. Well, the burger look like it turned upside down, but this is my complete meal, fish meal, and of course a nice cool glass of Jamaican lemonade. And I'm going to be using some good old Jamaican Grace tomato ketchup. Thank you for stopping by, guys. It was an adventure, and I know that this will taste awesome. It look good already. I'm not even taste none. Peace out. Bye bye.